going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Spotify not downloading music. Now remember this, you need to have the premium version of Spotify, otherwise you cannot download music. Premium version means the paid version of Spotify, where you need to pay Spotify on monthly basis. So you need to have that paid version of Spotify, alright? In the free version, you can only listen to music. In order to download it, you need the premium version, alright? And if you have the premium version of Spotify, you can download music easily. Podcast. So on a free Spotify, you can easily download podcasts. So I'm going to show you guys what I mean over here. So I'm just going to search for a random podcast. I go on podcast over here. So I'm just going to listen to a random one. So let's say I listen to this over here. So if I want to download this, I can click on the three dot at the top and you can see the download button. I can click on it to listen to it offline. But music, I can't do it. I need premium version. So let's say you have the premium version of Spotify and you still can't download music. Then make sure to check your internet, because sometimes due to slow internet as well, Spotify doesn't download music. But let's say you have a strong internet and you're still facing the problem. What you can do is you need to go to your app store. Now once you go to your app store, you want to search for Spotify. Now why you want to search for Spotify is to check for any update, alright? So if there's any update in Spotify over here, so it's gonna say update just like this. You can click on update to update your Spotify. Just like in my case, I have update, I need to click on it. But if it says open instead of update, then you can just assume that your Spotify is up to date, alright? If you see update over here, it means you need update. Click on it, update it. I'm not gonna update right now, because if I update my Spotify, I cannot make this video right now. So I'm gonna update my Spotify after completing this video, alright? So what you want to do is, even after updating your Spotify, if it didn't work, is go under setting and scroll all the way down over here. For Android user, this setting is not going to be available. So you can either clear the cache of your Spotify or clear the data after Spotify. But if you don't want to do that, then just wait for some time. After this step, I'm going to go into Android again, alright? Once you're over here, scroll a bit down, go on general, go on iPhone storage. And on iPhone storage, make sure you find Spotify over here, alright? So once you see Spotify over here, what you want to do is click on Spotify over here and click on offload app, click on offload app. Once you offload app, you need to reinstall Spotify again. So click on reinstall app and your Spotify will start to reinstall. Once the reinstallation process is complete, try to download music. If it doesn't work, now for Android user and iPhone user, this is same, alright? If it doesn't download music even after doing all the steps I taught you until now, delete your Spotify, reinstall it again. Basically some kind of bug causes this problem, so when you delete your Spotify and reinstall it, then basically it should work, alright?